how you doing? I'm Louis Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here with another garden tip on pruning various plants in the garden. We're here in the South Bay at Manhattan Beach, and we have this mature Camellias here. You can see the flowers are already blooming. We are here in November, but there are new buds coming in, as you can see. But again, it went through a really heavy bloom about a month ago, and it's just now finishing up. The client, however, wanted to go ahead and prune it because it's simply taking over the hardscape area here. You can see it's encroached already about, 18 inches or so on the hardscape. So we're gonna go ahead and do some selective pruning. We're gonna prune it back, but at the same time, we're gonna try to keep as many of these buds as possible. If you neglect it and you don't prune it, what's gonna happen is eventually it'll get out to the point where you really have to, and then you'll be looking at simply the trunk structure. So to maintain the beauty of it, we're going to do some minor pruning on it, even though there are buds on it. But it'll look good when it's done. The client will have their hardscape back, and they will have many, many more years of blooming Camellia sinqua.